All right, are we ready to get started? Tonight we got 2019 Illusions, 2020 Prestige, 2019 Playbook, and 2020 Chronicles. And we'll start with the Illusions. That's cool, Tim, and you'll be seeing me. I enjoyed that last night. Man, you found some cool stuff, I gotta tell you. Let's get started. We got James Conner. Got Nick Bosa rookie. David Montgomery. Bryce Love for the Redskins. Darius Geis. We've got Ryan Finley. Kenny Golladay. Josh Allen rookie. And we got Stephon Diggs. Got Phillip Rivers, Deshaun Watson, and Cooper Kupp. All right, we got Darnell Savage, rookie card. Got a Patrick Mahomes. Got Astounding, Cooper Kupp. Got Khalil Mack, Drew Lock. How many of these you got now, Tim? Yeah, Jeffrey, you're at the right place, man. All right, Devin Singletary. Got Melvin Gordon. Got a DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. Vernon Hargraves. Joe Mixon. We got Mike Evans, Dexter Lawrence, Tom Brady, Saquon Barkley. And we got Andy Isabella. Great Expectations. Got David Johnson. Got Benny Snell Jr. for the Steelers. Travis Kelce. Got Kenyon Drake. Jalen Smith. Cortland Sutton. Got Josh Rosen. Leighton Vander Esch. And Nick Foles. All right, we'll do Playbook next. 2019 Playbook. Been a while since I opened any Playbook. All right, Dante Pettis. Got Ed Oliver, rookie card for the Bills. X's and O's of Joe Mixon. Got Miles Sanders, rookie card. Got Ty Johnson. Derek Carr for the Raiders. X's and O's, David Johnson. Trace McSorley, rookie card. Marquise Brown for the Ravens. Derrick Henry. Nick Foles. Got a Playbook, let's see. Zoning Commission, Nick Chubb. Damian Harris. And Josh Oliver, rookie card. And for the Cowboys, we got Dak Prescott, play action. Blitz, we got Leonard Williams. Got Miles Boykin for the Ravens. Emmanuel Butler. Devontae Parker. And Robbie Anderson. All right, 2020 Prestige. Hey, Nicholas. You doing all right, man? Yeah, we just hit one on Dak for the Cowboys. All right, Hunter Renfrow, Kirk Cousins, Nate Orchard, Young Ho Koo, extra points, Yatur Gross-Matos, Tom Brady in his Tampa Bay uniform, Nate Solder, Hunter Henry, Chris Conley, Dwayne Haskins, Kenny Golladay, and we got a powerhouse of Shaquille Barrett. And we got Jalen Hurts rookie card. Jalen Hurts. Got Casey Hayward, Javon Wims, Jacoby Brissett, TJ Hawkinson, Tyler Lockett, Jordan Scarlett. And we got a worldwide Jared Goff. Got a Henry Ruggs rookie card. Akeem Hicks, Quentin Nelson, Cortland Sutton. Got another one, a Young Hoku, Keenan Allen, Tariq Cohen, what's going on, Antonio? Terry McLaurin, Duke Johnson, Derek Carr. We got a Lamar Jackson. Side the numbers. Lamar Jackson. Jordan Love for the Packers. Devin Singletary. Devontae Parker. We got David Levante, Will Fuller, Josh Jacobs, Saquon Barkley. Dang, that's a second powerhouse. The same card. The same box. Oh, this one's a parallel. I see it now. It's like a blue parallel. And Tony Jones Jr. for the Saints. We got Marlon Mack, Keanu Neal, Kyler Murray for the Cardinals, Adam Thielen, Mark Ingram, Le'Veon Bell, and we got a youth movement, Kyler Murray. You got Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. And Josh Uche. Got Nick Bosa, Kenny Moore, John Brown, Shaquem Griffin, Curtis Samuel, and for the Dolphins, got stars of the NFL, Devontae Parker. got Aaron Donald, Prestigious Pros. And we got Darrington Evans. Xavier Howard, Denzel Ward, and Matt Ryan. We got Jordan Akins, Max Crosby, got Daniel Jones, Danny Dimes for the Giants, Duke Johnson, and we got Nate Stanley, rookie card for the Vikings. Alright, we'll get into these Chronicles and see what we got. Surprised we didn't see a Tua or Joe Burrow in the Prestige. All right, unlimited Clyde Edwards-Helaire. There's a Tua. Tua for the Dolphins. Alright. Benny LeMay. Isaiah Hodgins. It's a nice looking card. Jalen Reagor. And KJ Hill. From Spectra. Shea Patterson. Justin Herbert. Benny LeMay. Quez Watkins. Kendrick Rogers. Donovan People-Jones. Got Bryce Perkins. And we got Brian Heron. We got Clyde Edwards-Helaire. J.K. Dobbins. On the optic. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Charlie Warner. And we got Cam Akers. Certified. Benjamin. Justin Jefferson. Devin Duvernay. Cheyenne O'Grady. Got Steven Montez. And we got another Tua on the Elite for the Dolphins. Right. Keyshawn Vaughn. And we got Tony Jones Jr. auto. DJ Dallas, Jonathan Taylor, and another Jonathan Taylor. Yeah, Tim, maybe we'll get some good ones here in these last packs. Seeing Joe Burrows. Yeah, we do have another Tua. Yep, another Tua. Optic. Keyshawn Vaughn, Sean McKeon, Javon Leak, Antonio Gandy Golden. It's the first I've seen of him. Donovan People-Jones. We got Kobe Parkinson. There's a Joe Burrow. Prestige. KJ Hamler, Jake Breland, AJ Dillon. Got a Hunter Bryant, Colin Johnson, Nate Stanley, James Prochet, and Elijah Lipscomb. Got Anthony Gordon, Mitchell Wilcox, Jerry Jeudy, C.D. Lamb for the Cowboys, and Jacob Eason. Alright guys, last cards. J.K. Dobbins, Darrington Evans, that's a nice parallel. T. Higgins, oops, clumsy tonight, guys. It's a nice looking card. Gabriel Davis. We got Darrington Evans, Chase Young, C.D. Lamb again, and we got Joe Reed and Charlie Warner. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. I appreciate y'all playing, man, and Had a good time, and I hope to see you Thursday night. Y'all have a good night. Thank you.